Hey, so if you want to lock elements in Google Slides in 2026 to prevent accidental changes while editing, this guide will walk you through step by step so your slides stay perfectly organized. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once inside, open the presentation you want to edit and you'll see all your slides in the editor view. Start by selecting the element you want to lock. This could be an image, shape, text box, or any object you don't want to move or edit accidentally. Once selected, right-click on the element to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Lock. This will prevent the element from being moved or edited until you unlock it. Locked elements stay in place while you freely adjust other parts of your slide. You can also lock multiple elements at once. Select all the items you want to lock by holding the Shift key and clicking each element. Then right-click and choose Lock. This is especially useful for complex layouts or backgrounds that should remain fixed. To unlock an element, simply right-click on the locked item and select Unlock. This restores full editing capabilities for that element. Remember, locking is reversible, so you can adjust slides later if needed. Using locked elements helps maintain a consistent layout, especially when collaborating with others. Team members can edit other parts of the slide without accidentally moving or changing locked objects, keeping your design intact. Finally, review your slides to ensure all important elements are locked. This prevents accidental changes during presentations or while sharing slides for collaboration. And that's it. By selecting elements, locking them, and unlocking when necessary, you can keep your Google Slides organized and protected from mistakes. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with colleagues or teammates, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.